Welcome once again. Yeah, man, and in today's episode, I want to show you some creative upcycling way of doing gardening. Yeah, man. Instead of throwing it out as trash, yeah, man, we're going to use it to do gardening. Yeah, man. I'm already using it, so I'm just showing you how you can do gardening. Yeah, and this method save you on water. It is much cheaper. Let's forget the word cheap. It is more affordable. Forward. So first up is a old stove. Yeah? A creative way of doing an upcycling gardening. So right here, this was a stove that I used before. Yeah, it got old. The burners got damaged. Yeah, and I decided to get a new stove. Yeah, man, it was a stove that had a oven. Yeah, man, you can turn on the oven and all them thing there. Yeah, but we decide to use the oven to cook up something else. Yeah, man, and what we are cooking up is a little vegetable garden. Yeah, man. So we turn over the stove. Yeah, we add soil to it and all them stuff. It's not the first time to plant in it, but I add some broadleaf mint in it and it got overgrown, so I decided to try some vegetables in it. Yeah, and so far it has gone good. Yeah, man, this was planted recently. Yeah, and it's not only a stove Herbalawes use. We also use a whole bath. Yeah, man, this is another upcycling creative garden method or a creative way of doing gardening. We also use tires. Mm, mm. So if you are wondering how you can do gardening, which is more affordable, yeah, save on water, yeah, these are some methods that you can use. Tires, old stove, and a whole bath. Yeah. So when weeding out your garden, you have to ensure say you don't weed out young plants that are essential. Yeah. Like if you don't know this plant, you will get rid of it. It's actually a herb plant that is called porcelain. Now this porcelain plant help with your omega-3. Yeah, man, folic acid. Yeah. So if you don't know what you do, you weed it out and other plants down in it. Yeah. This is called a red clover plant. Yeah. Help with gout and all them things there. Yeah, this is a plant that sometimes you think say it die, but it comes right back up. Yeah, so when weeding out your garden, you have to know, yeah, man, the plants that not you shouldn't get rid of, you know. Yeah, man, so within this whole bath, we have plants like vervain, porcelain, yeah, man, broadleaf thyme, which is also called oregano. And in the mid-side, Yeah, we have the Jamaican dog blood. And then we have a Panadol plant. Yeah, and also in this bath, we plant a piece of yam in it. See that? We plant a piece of yam in it. Yeah, and the vine is growing. Yeah, man, the vine will grow. Yeah. Now, in using this bath, yeah, the original drainage hole is right here. But when I prepared this bath, I bored some extra hole in the bottom of this container so that it can drain properly. Yeah, man. Yeah, so this is some, creative ways of doing garden. Yeah, man. We call it upcycling. Yeah. Instead of throwing it out as trash. Yeah, man. You just reuse it. Yeah, man. Yeah. Also use this whole igloo, to break down any scraps that comes from the kitchen. Yeah, man. This is some creative ways of doing gardening. A old bath, yeah, man. A old stove that once used to bake in the oven, but now we are gardening vegetable. Yeah, man. Old tires that once used to use on the car. Yeah, to do the daily chores on the road. Now it's a gardening, holding like a fruit tree, a almond tree. Yeah, man. And aloe vera plants. Yeah. So if you were wondering, yeah, you are at the right place. Yeah, man, at the right time to see what Herbalawes is doing. Yeah, man. And before, and before I hang up, I'm going to show you just another sneak peek of how you can create. Yeah. Yeah, this was a old wine stand. Old wine stand. And this was a old bookshelf. So, if you were wondering, you're at the right place at the right time. Yeah, man. So, if you like this video, share the content with a friend or a family. Yeah, man. Share the content with a friend or a family. Yeah. Herbalawes out here. Doing it. Being creative. Using what I have. Yeah. Things that are affordable. Using less water. Yeah. Using less water. Yeah, man. So, share the content, man. And turn on your post notification that whenever I drop a video, yeah, you will be the first to be notified. Sight, side. Yeah.